How to turn off autoplay videos in YouTube on your iPhone or Android. Autoplay is a feature that automatically plays the next video in a suggested queue after the current video finishes. This keeps the viewing experience continuous without requiring manual selection of each video. To turn off autoplay, first of all, you have to launch your YouTube application on your device. And make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the U button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see setting your icon. Simply tap on it. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see playback option. Tap on it. On the first option under playback, you will see autoplay next video option available. You just have to simply toggle off that button. So in this way, you can easily turn off autoplay videos in YouTube in your iPhone or Android. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.